Article number 3, Tools and Platforms for Success. It becomes essential to understand AI, the tools and platforms that can assist you in generating income. In a world increasingly influenced by technology, equipping yourself with the right resources is paramount. This chapter will introduce you to various AI tools that can streamline and enhance productivity, ultimately helping you make $100 a day. To start, let's categorize these tools based on their primary functions. We'll explore content creation tools, automation platforms, data analysis software, and customer engagement systems. Tools will be evaluated for features, ease of use, cost-effectiveness, and suitability for different niches. Content creation tools. One of the most exciting applications of AI is in content creation. Whether writing articles or generating marketing materials, AI-powered content generation tools can save you significant time while maintaining quality. Tools like Jasper, formerly Jarvis, have gained popularity among marketers and writers alike. Jasper uses natural language processing to generate human-like text based on user prompts. It's intuitive. Simply input a topic or idea you want to write about, and Jasper produces coherent paragraphs within seconds. This tool is handy for quickly creating blog posts or social media updates without sacrificing creativity. Another noteworthy option is Copy.ai, which specializes in crafting marketing copy, ideal for email campaigns or ads that require catchy phrases to draw attention. These platforms' simplicity allows even those unfamiliar with advanced technology to create compelling content effortlessly. Automation platforms. Automation is key to maximizing productivity when aiming for consistent earnings through AI-driven solutions. Tools like Zapier allow users to connect different apps seamlessly without requiring coding skills. For instance, if you're running an online store using Shopify combined with email marketing via MailChimp, Zapier can automate tasks such as sending welcome emails when someone subscribes or notifying your team whenever a new order comes in. Additionally, RPA, robotic process automation, solutions such as UiPath are becoming increasingly accessible for small businesses looking to eliminate repetitive tasks from their workflows, like data entry or invoice processing, freeing up time that could be spent on strategic endeavors instead. Data analysis software. Understanding your audience through data analysis presents opportunities that are invaluable when seeking profitable niches or optimizing existing services, products offered by your business model. Google Analytics is one of the most widely used free tools available today. It provides insights into website traffic patterns, so users can identify what works best regarding SEO optimization strategies, tailored specifically towards improving visibility online, a crucial element if you wish to attract customers effectively. For those wanting something more advanced yet user-friendly interface-wise, might consider Tableau's offerings, which enable visual representation of complex datasets, making them easier not just comprehend, but also share across teams, enhancing collaboration efforts, significantly leading towards informed decision-making processes around product development cycles too. Customer engagement systems. Once you've created content and automated processes, successfully engaging potential customers becomes vital. Chatbots powered by AI have revolutionized customer service interactions, allowing businesses, both small and large-scale operations, handle inquiries round the clock efficiently, whilst providing personalized experiences at scale. Platforms such as Drift offer conversational marketing functionalities, enabling real-time communication between prospects, visiting websites, ensuring they receive answers promptly even outside normal business hours, thus increasing chances, converting leads into sales during off-peak times too. Furthermore, integrating CRM systems like HubSpot with chatbots ensures every interaction recorded, helping build comprehensive profiles over time, which further enhances targeted outreach efforts, delivering tailored messages based upon individual preferences, shown previously increasing likelihood engagement rates, considerably enhancing profitability overall. Evaluating suitability across niches. While we've discussed various types of AI-powered tools available today, it's crucial to remember not every option suits all niches equally well. Understanding specific needs within chosen sectors will guide decisions made around selecting appropriate resources, effectively aiding successful implementation strategies executed thereafter, leading toward desired outcomes achieved consistently over sustained periods. For instance, freelance writers may prioritize investing heavily into robust content creation platforms, whereas e-commerce entrepreneurs might lean more towards automation solutions paired alongside strong customer engagement systems, ensuring seamless transactions facilitated throughout entire purchasing journeys, optimally designed to cater to diverse audiences, encountered regularly across digital landscapes, explored daily. This article has shed light on multiple innovative technologies capable of rapidly transforming traditional methods that generate income, let alone the capabilities offered through artificial intelligence harnessed appropriately. As we gear up to explore the following steps, identifying lucrative niches where these powerful resources are utilized effectively, it becomes evident that embracing change-adapting environments leads toward financial independence and achievable aspirations, envisioned while embarking upon a journey of becoming adept at using cutting-edge advancements, reshaping industries globally today.